Hello again, people. We've been talking about bar by bar and 2B reversals, bar by bar reversals, tracking them, and 2B reversals. So, what I wanted to do is just try and simplify things. If you find 3 candle reversals, 3CRs, a little bit confusing, then I suggest you concentrate on 2B reversals and possibly then 1, 2, 3 reversals as well. But let's concentrate on 2B reversals. So, when we're looking at a move like this, an up move like this, what I'll first describe a 2B reversal in case you're not familiar, but there's thousands of examples on my Twitter feed, Best Forex Method, and there's multiple examples, dozens of examples on this YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. So 2B reversal looks like this. That's the swing 1, that's swing 2, and this is swing 3. And what Vic Sperandeo does is say when you see swing 1 and you have a slight pullback or whatever, draw your level on the low of the pullback bar. I've got this proprietary Snap 2 indicator that I use. I can't share it, but there are examples on my Twitter feed, links to examples on my Twitter feed that work almost as well. So what Sperandeo says is this is my trigger bar, this is my poke bar, it's dropped through the level, and the opposite in long reversals or short reversals should I say, then the break of the high of the poke bar, in my opinion you need a close, but Vic doesn't mention that, then up it goes. So we can use this to protect us from getting into trades too early, or it's a fail-safe mechanism. We haven't closed above that high there in this instance, or even tested it for that matter, so we can't possibly get in longs. So how I use this now is I use it bar by bar, and notice also when it does finally break and close through it, price goes up. And similar situation over there, we might as well mention it while we're here. There, swing 1, swing 2, swing 3, there's your poke bar, and there is your break and close above it, and then price continues on up. So, once you understand these bar by bar moves, and this was a massive eureka moment and light bulb moment for me, all you've got to do is add your momentum to it, and you've got a pretty high probability of moving up. And don't worry yourself about being able to draw support and resistance levels correctly and stuff, because Sperandeo's job does it. And as you can see, if you or the 2p level should I say, if you do this enough, you will see where price goes to next. It's broken that level there, up it goes to the next level. And likewise, if we were going down, it breaks this level here and it goes to the next level here, and it breaks this level here and it goes to the next level here. They are supply and demand areas. They are areas where liquidity is hiding. They are the likely areas where price will go. So try to simplify everything you do as much as possible. So when this was going up, we clear all this down, we can do the opposite process, bar by bar. So tidy all that lot up. Might as well get rid of those as well. Come on, mouse, don't mess me about now. So as price is going up, when the level gets broken, we draw a level on the low, and we watch to see whether that gets closed through. So let's start with let's start right down here, to be honest with you. So that's the trigger bar, that's the poke bar. If this got closed through, we would potentially be going down. Same goes for this one. If it's the same bar, so we can delete that now, and continue on up bar by bar. In fact, I use the crosshairs. So that's our high. So this is the level that broke the low of that, through that. So we need a close below the low of that candle there. It didn't happen. No shorts. Same here. That's the high. We need a close below that bar that broke through it. No shorts. Same here. We need a close below the low of that bar that broke through it. No shorts. Forget inside bars, they don't count. It would still be the parent bar, as it were, the bar that, so we forget that. We continue. There's a bar there that broke through it. Put a level on the low. If it gets closed through, obviously the RSI and everything's still in the lower time frames and the higher time frames for that matter, always come into our analysis. Sorry, got distracted then for a moment. So we continue on. Inside bar, inside bar, inside bar, but we know what that was. It broke resistance here. It's come back to test it as support. High of that bar, or should we say the high of this bar, got broke through by that one. There's the low. If that gets closed through, start to get interested. Start to do your multi-time frame analysis. Same goes here. High of that bar. So notice we've had no shorts at all. High of that bar. Same again. There's your poke bar. There's your potential level that you need to close below. And we do it again. There's an inside bar. That one doesn't matter. That one, that high there got broken by that one. That's the low that would start to get us interested. A close below that. Nothing. Inside bar again. Next level, this red one broke that one. So that becomes our poke bar. And a close below that would be a reason to get interested. As you can see, we've finally closed below it. So you can draw all these levels as the price moves up. And at that point, obviously, we didn't have a reversal. So we continue on up. High of that bar, low of this bar. And as you can see, once that was closed through by this red bar, price did actually collapse. And then you can use your lower time frames, and you'll notice you've also got a trend involved. But I don't want to do that. This is all about tracking an up move bar by bar. And once you've sussed out this much, and you've got to do the work on these. I did the work once I understood what the importance 2B reversals and 1, 2, 3 reversals was to candle highs and lows. I've just explained that to you, the importance, and we carry on, this one, that one, oh, we've just done that one, apologies. This one gets broken by that one, that low becomes significant. And now look what's happened. We've had a really, really strong move. So all these ones didn't happen because they were after this one, subsequent to. So, we're carrying on, and this is the reversal. This is the reversal there. And that is a clear explanation, I dare pick this, of what goes on. That's the high. This is the bar, the Sporandio's trigger bar, poke bar rather. Once the low of the poke bar gets broken through and closed through, it's come back to test it, and down price goes. So I can't really put it any clearer, and I don't want to go on to other charts and other time frames and things. This is a 5-minute chart, and that is a reversal, a valid, perfectly valid reversal. You can see what's happened here. We've broken support with that. At no point had we ever broken support here. Finally, support gets broken, the low of a candle, and what does it do? Comes back and tested it. Test, 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 and at this point you can either drop to your lower time frames. In fact, we will drop to the lower time frame, so I draw those levels on there. That's the level we needed to close through. We'll draw a vertical because obviously we have to go on the next candle. It has to close to be a valid signal. And then we drop to the 1-minute chart. and it updated the data. Sorry about the delay there. And we can do our trend then as well. High, low, lower high, lower low, and down she goes with a bust, pullback, break and close. This was not cherry picked. And there's your trend reversal. So that's how, the 2B reversal, single candlestick. I'm attaching these because they broke the low. Here broke the low. That's just well, it doesn't even have a valid new low. It hasn't broken that, so it's not a valid touch point at this point. But, that is how I had a eureka moment with bar by bar analysis. So slow it down, pause it, reverse it, whatever you want to do on the video. I can't stress enough the importance of understanding that process. It works on every time frame, and then applying the momentum indicator of your choice, whether it's stochastics or just a squiggly line RSI, and then thinking a little bit outside the box, bar by bar analysis and timing your trades. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh, apologies for the noise. That's my fan going. It's quite hot in here again.